Hi. As a homeschooling parent, team, me and Shantanu, we keep trying to look for activities or look for, things that can enhance the creativity in our children. And we were lucky enough to find out that, Film Television Institute of India was conducting a workshop for children on basics of acting. And obviously, we enrolled Ruhan because he's the one who wants to become actor director. That's his plan. And so they had an interesting activity one day, and he came home and he discussed with us, and he wanted, to know how it could be done better. So as parents, we both tried to share whatever little knowledge we have about the same. I'm sharing, what we discussed on Diwali night. So you'll hear a lot of Diwali crackers going because it's two Diwali nights that we were sitting and discussing this. And yeah, so whatever we thought right, we shared. The point is, it is not about right or wrong. It is just about, if you come across an opportunity, keep looking for, if your kid is interested in acting or any other thing, and if there is an opportunity, please go for it. I have noticed that most of the parents, at times, they'll say, "Arey, Diwali hai, और फैमिली है और वहाँ फैमिली के साथ जाना है, या फिर इतनी दूर कौन जाएगा?" लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like, you have to compromise or sacrifice a few things if the child loves it. Obviously, please do not force your children, and force them to do things that you wanted to do. He truly loves it, and being a child, he was a little tired. We were doing pretty late in the night because, like all children, he wakes up in the night and he remembers, what was the best throughout the day, and then in the middle of the night, always wants to have discussion with us. So yeah, I'm sharing a few moments from that discussion, and I hope a few people will be able to learn something from that. And it just his since they don't go to school, I mean, let's consider this as a learning activity of homeschooling parent and kid. I'm sharing the glimpses of the beautiful campus where this is being conducted, because this is not being conducted in their primary campus, which is on Law College Road, but I think this is somewhere in Kothrood, which is their secondary campus, and it's beautiful. And if you're a parent like me, please keep looking out for interesting things for your children to do, as and when, and do not think, oh, it's going to be hard work and stuff, because this is what the kids love. Then please go ahead and give some extra time to them, and do it for them. Bye. So this is the beautiful campus of Writers Block, or Writers area of the FTII, the Vijay Tendulkar FTII Writers area. It's so pleasing aesthetically. You can see these small cottages they have built, one cottages, very pretty, very pretty.
Tailing lights. Oh, Papa. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ha 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 ha. You can use this, right?
I did that last thing. I did that perfectly. The last part I did of full screaming and expression right here and there. The problem is, I think I forgot to exit the stage properly, and that's why.
Raudra, you can start that thing with a little upset thing. So the way always you don't listen to me, and I don't want to shout at you. So the way I said, Johnny, yes, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth.
Yeah.
So like this, you can say, for the sake you are saying those lines, but that emotions should say something else by your expression, by your tone, by your gesture.
So see the lines.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies. Telling lies. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ha 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 ha. So you can change that thing accordingly.
Yes. So, for example,
Huh.
I'm supposed to take like pauses, and I'm supposed to move around. I'm
No.
supposed to make.
The thing is, you need to remember that situation, create it in your mind, and then instead of saying those words, you can say Johnny Johnny. So consider that Mama promised you about giving you computer time for 2 hours without any kind of disturbance, and she broke your promise. And since 2 days you are constantly studying, now it is your time to have the gadget, and suddenly she said no, and you are totally upset. So about those 1 2 3 5 level, it must be at 4 or 5. Say
What?
your anger is level 4 or 5. Okay, you are coming to Mama to talk about your gadget time, and she broke her promise. What will you say to her?
Um.
Don't think. Don't think.
So I just.
Johnny, Johnny, your only
Get
lines.
angry.
Those are my only lines.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But in your mind,
No, because if I imagine something else,
no.
then it will get-
In your mind, you are talking about
Gadget time.
gadget.
And you're very upset.
You are upset. You need to say the study time.
Um, let me just. Johnny, Johnny. Wait, so am I supposed to, am I supposed to do double? Like,
Yeah, yeah.
Whatever
is-
you want to, you can
one is
repeat those.
cleaning, one is scared.
No, anything. You can repeat however you want
But
to.
can you just do one more time? I need to see because I know it's double.
No, no, Ruhan.
No, because two people. are having-
Listen, no, you are going on the Johnny Johnny lines. Johnny Johnny lines are not what you're focusing on. You are fighting with me. You have come to me. You are just telling me that how I have gone back on my words, and you are very angry. But all that should come out of your mouth is just Johnny Johnny. Yes, Papa, full.
Then I wait. See.
It's just you.
So, it will be like you're angry. Mama, you promised that after 2 days of studies, you will give me 2 hours uninterruptedly. What is your problem now? Why are you doing this?
Huh.
I need my 2 hours.
But instead of these words, start.
Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. 6, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 8, 10. 55, 77. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there is no meaning in it. So same you can do it. Say any number you want to say, but there should be kind of story that you are arguing with someone with some matter.
So, uh, sir said that we need to go from level to level.
Go it now. So that's what I have told you, na? Johnny. Yes, papa. Eating sugar, no, papa. Telling lies, no, papa. Open your mouth. Ha. So if you say this is the level 5 or bottom level, so now you need to go little up. How can you go?
Actions,
Right,
voice level.
right, pitch level, but slowly, because if you jump directly up in next up level, you will not be able to speak or shout. So it should grow gradually through your gesture, posture, and physical and expression. There should be a very small changes in voice and your pitch. Otherwise, this will start paining or it will stop working, because whenever we are angry in real, we forget to breathe, so we shout in between two lines. Between two lines we stop breathing and everything goes on here, and that's why we can't speak at a certain point of level or point time. So while you are doing this anger and you need to scale it nicely, so you need to do it one by one slowly. So that's why in anger I told you to start with your upset mode, where you don't want to actually speak. You are just putting your point, and for example you're talking to mama but you're angry, you're not talking to her. Johnny. Yes, papa. Eating sugar. No, papa. Telling lies, no, papa. Open your mouth. So, this is also anger, but not looking at this changes.
I have a question. On by the way, I'm very sleepy. How will we do what's it called? Fear if for this, or for any song, for example.
Song.
No, not
Fear
Poem.
is the easiest to do in this poem.
Yes, the easiest.
What happens when we are fearful? What happens? Tell me, what are the physical changes that happens in our body? You're very sleepy. We'll do this exercise in the morning. I think it's very interesting.
Yeah.
Chalo, say good night.
Step by step.